Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Civic, that generation here from year 2016 to year 2021. If you have one of those guys and your windshield wipers washing system, the washers do not work, stay with us. We'll explain which fuse you need to check. We'll explain where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered today for your convenience. Make sure you guys stay until the end. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find, guys, a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic, guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. Why we make these videos? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running. If it's blown, you can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing, guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels, guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here, guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic, guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money, guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. So right here we're going to demonstrate on a 2017 Honda Civic that we have here at the garage, guys. So you have 2 different fuse boxes, but for the windshield washer system, guys, the windshield wipers washers, we need to open the hood, and the fuse box that we need is under the hood on the right side facing the vehicle. Let me zoom in so we can clearly see it, guys. Okay, this fuse box right here, you need to open that cover, and once you guys open the cover, you're going to see a fuse layout that looks just like this one. Okay, right there. Now, before we continue, this will be the front of your Honda Civic, this will be the windshield side right here. So let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So if we come right here, guys, let's explain now. We need to come, okay, in that row right here, you see you have different fuses, relays. Those are multi-fuse box. Okay, we'll have the links where you can get them from, because they can be really expensive or hard to find. But the windshield washer system fuse will be located in that row here, and if you start from top to bottom, will be that second fuse, that 15M fuse, which is known as fuse number 6, guys. You will need to check that fuse right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.